Good morning to all of you. Today we can continue the 8th exercise in your book. Let me read the question. Raju does not keep proper books of accounts. Following details are taken from his records. Particulars 1/1/2018, 31/12/2018. So here this is the opening balance, this is the closing balance. 1/1 opening balance, 31/12 closing balance. See, cash at bank 80,000, 90,000. Stock of goods 1,80,000, 1,40,000. Debtors 90,000, 2 lakh. Sundry creditors 1,30,000, 1,95,000. Bank loan 60,000, 60,000. Bills payable 80,000, 45,000. Plant and machinery 1,70,000, 1,70,000. See the additional information. During the year, he introduced further capital 50,000. This is additional capital. Then withdraw 2,500 per month. Monthly 2,500. So for 1 year, how much you want to find out? So 1 year, 10 months, 20. So 1 year, 30,000 will come. Then personal use. Prepare statement of profit and loss with the above information. Here, you want to prepare statement of profit or loss, but here capital is not given. Here there is no opening capital, no closing capital. If there is opening capital, we can find out closing capital. Here there is no opening capital, no closing capital. So now we want to find out the statement of affairs in the opening as well as in the closing. Opening statement of affairs shows opening capital, closing statement of affairs shows closing capital. Here opening statement of affair, consider only this opening item. Closing statement of affair, consider only closing items. And prepare statement of affair and find out the balance. You will get opening as well as closing balance. So now opening balance also we got, closing balance also we got. Drawings given there, additional capital given there. Can easily find out the profit. Now we can go to the solution. See the sums. See. Now we are going to find out the statement of affairs. See, opening, closing. Here also opening, closing. Last time you saw only one opening, closing only you want to find out. Here opening as well as closing. Two amount over. See, creditors given in the question 1,30,000, 1,95,000. Loan 60,000, 60,000. That are not given in the question. Just you have to copy down. Then bills payable also 80,000, 45,000. Then this side cash in hand 80,000, 90,000. Stock 1,80,000, 1,40,000. Debtors 90,000, 2 lakh. Plant and machinery 1,70,000, 1,70,000. So you balance these two, you will get a capital. That is opening balance. This is closing balance. 2,50,000 is the opening balance. 3 lakh is the closing balance. So opening balance and closing balance we find out. See. Statement of profit or loss, closing capital, this 3 lakh. See, this 3 lakh. This is the closing balance. This is the opening balance. Then add drawings 30,000, 3 lakh 30,000. Less additional capital 50,000. Drawings, how you find out the drawings? Drawings, how to find out the drawings? 2,500 into 12 months. It is 30,000. Okay. Then now you got the profit. This is the way if they are giving opening as well as closing balance. இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி சம்ஸில் வந்து ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸும் க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸும் கொடுப்பாங்க. அப்போ ரெண்டுத்தையும் வச்சுட்டு நீங்கள் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் அஃபேர் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும். ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணும்போது ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் வச்சு பண்ணுறது ஓப்பனிங் கேபிட்டல், க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது க்ளோசிங் கேபிட்டல் கிடைக்கும். அதை வச்சு க்ளோசிங் கேபிட்டல் எடுத்து எழுதிடணும். எழுதிட்டு அதிலேருந்து ட்ராயிங்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஒரு மாதத்துக்கு 2,500னா 12 மாதத்துக்கு 30,000. அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அடிஷ்னல் கேபிட்டல் லெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து அட்ஜஸ்டட் கேபிட்டல் கிடைக்கும். இப்போ ஓப்பனிங் கேபிட்டல் லெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் கிடைக்கும். இதுதான் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி மெத்தடில் வந்து ப்ராஃபிட்டு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது. Now you can go to 9th exercise. See, 9th exercise. Anand does not keep his accounts under double entry system. Find out the profit or loss made during the year ending 31st March 2019. 31/3/2018, 31/3/2019. 18 that is the opening capital, opening items. 33/3/2019 closing. Okay, this is opening item, closing. See, cash at bank 5,000 debtor, 60,000 creditor. Cash usually there is a debit balance. Credit balance na, that is drawings அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க அது. ஓகேங்களா? Then cash in hand 3,000, 4,500, stock of goods 35,000, 45,000, sundry debtors 1,90,000, plant and machinery 80,000, 80,000, land and building for 1,40,000, 1,40,000, sundry creditors 1,70,000, 1,30,000. See the adjustments. Anand had withdrawn 60,000 for his personal use. This is drawings, 60,000. He introduced 17,000 as capital for expansion of business. So 17,000 is additional capital. Then create a provision for 5% on debtors. How much is the debtors? Closing debtors 90,000. You have to find out 5%. So 4,500. Okay, that should be subtracted from the closing balance. Subtract pannu. Then land and building. See next, plant and machinery is to be depreciation. There is a depreciation for plant and machinery. What is the amount of plant and machinery? That is 80,000. So 10% 8,000. So that should be subtracted by writing closing balance. Opening there is no changes. You should write this one. Closing only these two items will change. Okay. Now we can find the solution. Statement of affairs. See, bank. Opening balance 5,000. That is the debit balance given there, no? Then credit balance given 60,000. That is drawings. Come on the liability side. Only debit balance will show on the asset side. The next one, cash, that is given. Stock is also given. Then debtors only 1 lakh opening. Closing, see how much is given in the question? 90,000. So you have to find out the 5% of 90,000. That is 4,500. So 85,500. 1 lakh minus. So debtors given here 90,000 in the question, no? So out of the 90,000 you have to subtract 5%. That is 4,500. Then you will get 85,500. Then plant and machinery 80,000 opening. Closing also 80,000 given, no? So 10%. 80,000 order 10% on the 8,000. So 80,000 minus 8,000, 72,000. Land and building 1,40,000, 1,40,000. Creditors 1,70,000, 1,30,000. Now you are balancing, then you will get the capital balance. Opening balance, closing balance. Here opening balance 1,93,000, closing balance 1,57,000. Okay. Then statement of profit. See, closing capital given 1 lakh. We find out now 1,57,000. Drawings 60,000. This one bank, no, bank credit balance, no, that is drawings 60,000. Then add additional capital 70,000 given in the question. You will get to 2 lakh. Opening capital 1,93,000. This one that you should show here. Okay. So this is 17,000. So you will get to 2 lakh. Opening capital 1,93,000 here. That should be subtracted here. Then you will get a profit of 3,000 rupees. Then you see the workings down. See, debtors 90,000. No, 90,000. 5%, 5/100. 4,500. So 90,000 minus 4,500, 85,000. 500. Then plant and machinery. This P and M plant and machinery. 80,000 into 10%, 8,000. So 80,000 minus 8,000, 72,000. These are workings for these two sums, no? Two items, no? This one and this one. Okay. I think you understood well. Thank you.